Hi everyone. Now in this session I'm going to teach you the data transformations. So these are the basics of data transformation. Being as a software tester, you must know how to validate the results now. The number one, selection. Number two, how to splitting and joining the records. Number third, conversion. Number four, summarization. Number five, enrichment. Some of the major transformation types, being as a software tester, you must try to learn. Number one, format revision. Number second, decoding of fields. Number third, calculated and derived values. Number fourth, how to splitting of a single field. And then how to merging of the information, like you have the three columns or the four columns, how you can merge them. And then how to character set the conversion. And then how to measure unit of measurement conversion and the date and time conversion, and how you can summarizing the data, and how you can key restructuring the data and the duplication. These are all the transformation types. Being as a software tester, you must learn if you want to excel your career in the field of ETL tester. Now the point is here, like the real-time example, you can see the country code. This is the complete ID 9242 and 97923 complete written now. But being as a software tester, the business owners will be saying to you that you need to, in this complete number, you need to separate the country code and the city code and the postcode and the product code. All these should come in the different fields now. So your role as a software tester, that this transformation which the development team applied, either they are showing as per the client requirement, like the first two characters are showing on the country code, the second two code will show on your city code, and the next four characters should show on your postcode now. And in the similar way, last three characters are called as your product code. The question here, how you know about these information, because the client specify the business rules, and your role as a software tester to fulfill the client business rules. If you understand the client business rules, believe me, you are in business. Another point, that you as a software tester are responsible for removing the duplication, incorrect or missing values, inconsistent naming convention, incomplete information, physical move, data addresses, and misspelling. Misspelling is one of the common mistake which we have noticing, and you will experience yourself, and you will be doing the software testing on the large scale data sets now, the billions of records now. Now another type of defects you most of the time are finding and reporting to the customers in the ETL testing, which are belongs towards the domain value redundancy, non-standard data formats, non-atomic data values, multi-purpose data fields, embedded meanings, inconsistent data values, and the data quality contamination. So these are the common defects. We will be also discussing these things in detail. Now the point here, the data content defect example are the domain related value redundancy, like if the client is specify that the data is only coming in the unit of measurement like dozen, so DOZ should be shown or DZ should be shown or the pounds or whatever it can be. So other than the different formats, which is called as the redundancy now. So there should be a one consistent unit of measurement. Either it can be the dozen, or it can be the DOZ, or it can be the DZ. So if the multiple unit of measurements are coming in a single column, this means which is not a correct thing. And you being as a software ETL tester, you need to report and you need to fix with the development team that, okay guys, the transformation you applied is not up to the mark, or you also must know how to fix this issue now. Because if you know the transformations, so the life of the development team will be very easy, and they will also give you the lot of rates, because if you know about how to transform the business rules while using the different analytical tools, then you are always be in demand. The non-standard data formats, you can see here the phone number, how the phone number is showing. So the business requirement can be, there should be the proper standard format now. Or the non-atomic data fields, you can see name and address like doctor, and then the PhD, and that The addresses are also not concatenating now. So you need to separate the name and the addresses now.